Dus, mama mira ko, ben di ko mamang Polanda ba YouTube?
Rent naman die puta, no.
No?
Jennyfer, je houdt van bamba als je zo vroeg smart als meisje. Waarom heb je me op tegen je moeder? Jenny, weet je...
Ik kan niet zwemmen.
Oh, je niemand moet weten, hè?
Je krijgt steeds meer tandjes, hè mama? Ja. Ja. Oh my god. Hey. Wil je pakken? You're so cute. What is up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Jennyfer Ross, and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is going to be a day in my life. We met up with Renato, Nova, Kayden, the whole gang. Hey! And today we're going to start off the day with a little photo shoot here at Noorderplaats. It's a very, very cool bridge. So yes, we're gonna do a little photo shoot, and Renato also needs a few pictures for his Instagram. So we decided to hook it all up and do it all at once. So yeah, if you like these type of videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And let's go ahead and get into today's video. Yay! Nose! Cutie. Shall we get started? Let's do it. You should walk in the middle. Loop in het midden. Hey Novi! Hey! You're such a happy baby, aren't you? En dat tandje. Ja. Schattie toch. Schattie toch. Is het koud? Is het koud vandaag? Alright, Benny. Schattie van baby. Schattie van baby. Schattie
Oh yeah, then I had a talk about
Lekkere vangetjes voor jou, Jackie. Ah, die lekkere vangetjes. Heb jij een neusje? Poppy van Tanti. Mama. Mama.
Hoe snel, wat doe je?
Ik dacht dat je bezig was. So we shot a few very nice pictures, even from Nova and Kayden. So I'm so excited to see the final results. And it's such a surprise that they came because Renato was supposed to come alone. But it's such a surprise that you're here, Novi. Yes. I cannot. She is so cute. It's such a surprise that you're here. It's such a surprise.
I love my sister.
Yes. Oh. I love you guys. Too cute. Yay! Yay, mama. Yeah. Noves. Hey, Novi. Hey, ga je vloggen? Ga je vloggen? Ja, hè? Dat tandje, ik kan het echt niet aan. Ja, you have so many teeth. Hey, mama. Hey. So excited, huh? Are you excited?
The minute that I saw you, I was gone. Ringing from my head into my bones. Baby, got me feeling like a toast. Damn, it's sunny, should've brought less clothes. I gotta have you one last time, take it off my mind. One last night for a last goodbye. I gotta have you one last time, one last night, one last night for a last goodbye. Man, I feel so down.
Alright, amigo, we're now at Opera Plein, which is the Opera Square. Benny is here at Game Mania to pick up something that he ordered. And the photo shoot was so much fun. I hope we made a few cute pictures, so I can't wait to get home and see if there's anything in it. But it was so fun to also see Novi. It was a very cute little surprise. So she's getting so big. Like every time I see her, it's something new. Now she has a tooth like here on the side, and it was so cute. So yeah, really happy, and it always fills my heart to just see them. I love those people. But yeah, currently waiting for Benny. He's in line there, as you can see. And then after this, I think we're gonna head home and just continue vlogging for today. Alright, Benny, are you having fun? No? It is cold. So, amiga, we're back home. It was so cold today, wasn't it? Yeah, it was really cold. Benny made us a cup of coffee. He is gonna chill now on the couch. I think I'm gonna change into something a little bit more comfortable in a little bit. And then I think I'm gonna figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner today. I might also bake some banana bread again, because we have so many bananas and I never want them to go to waste. So I might as well. So yeah, we might also do a few preparations later on, because we are putting up the Christmas tree tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna like put together. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, make the house ready for tomorrow to just be like the decorating part and putting up the Christmas tree and whatnot. So yeah, that's that, and also editing. I'm really excited to see how the pictures turned out. So I think Benny's gonna start with that, because I saw him grab his computer, so he might start with that in a little bit. Of course, I'll link a few pictures here and there so you can see how they turned out. Make sure to also follow me on Instagram, because there is where I post most of these pictures. So yeah, and I'm really trying to be on my Instagram game again, so follow me. My handle is @JennyferRoss. And yeah, I'll check in with you when I have something new to say. Alright, amiga, it's starting to get dark, but I'm still chilling on my computer, and I just put a focaccia in the oven. I have half of it and Benny has the other half, and I also have a cup of tea. And I think I'm gonna lit a few candles. That might be cute. I was gonna say. That might be cute. Alright, amiga, it's now 7 p.m. and I am gonna do a little baking sesh. After my little baking sesh, I'm also gonna make dinner because I want to eat around 8. But I figured I would start with the banana bread. I want to make some banana bread. The first thing that I always like to do is start with wet ingredients. So that will be the oil, the egg, because I like to use oil instead of butter. But oil, egg, and I think those are all the liquid or the wet ingredients. Oh, and the mashed bananas. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Next, I add in 1 cup of brown sugar. Any kind of sugar will do actually. Doesn't need to be the brown one. And I also like to add in a little bit of vanilla extract. And 2 bags of vanilla sugar. And then we blend again. Then it's time to mix in our all-purpose flour. This is the one that I have from my local supermarket, Albert Heijn. I'm gonna start with 2 cups of that. And now we're gonna mix again. The next, I wash my blueberries and coat them with a little bit of the all-purpose flour. Put them in a little cup so it's easier to throw them in, but they're covered in the all-purpose flour, and then you just put them in. Some got stuck to the bottom. With a spoon, we just mix it around like so. And the next is ready to be put into a baking form. That is how easy it is. Super, super easy. Now you just put it in your form. This is mine. It looks super ratchet, so I'm not gonna show that to you. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that in there, and mine is a silicone one, so it doesn't stick to it, or I don't need to butter it or anything like that. So I'm gonna put this in the oven to bake, and you will see it when it's done baking. What, are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Ooh.
You wet my mind.
Why do you like, there are bananas there too. Why do you like bananas so much?
Because I'm a banana.
You're a banana?
Jullie hebben die amiga's van de Demacha.
Bananenbrood, ja. En Amiga had gezegd dat ik moet laten zien, wanneer ik het maak, dat ik meer moet praten over de ingrediënten. Because last time I did it, I just threw everything in and she had no idea what I was doing. But I did put the recipe in the description box, but she wanted me to say like, now I'm doing this and now I'm doing that, you know? So yeah, that's why I did that. How many bananas did you already have today? What are we having for dinner today? What is that? Kiko wat bezig, nee? What is for dinner? Alright, amiga, banana bread is ready. Looks so good. I'm now gonna start making dinner. By the way, we did not clean up anything today, so that will be something for tomorrow. See that? It's steaming hot. Oh. Bon appetit, Benny. Alright, amiga, it's now much later. I'm gonna take off my makeup and shower and put on my pajamas so that I can finish editing tomorrow's video, because it's a Saturday as I'm filming this. So I'm gonna do that. I'm really excited for tomorrow, because tomorrow we are setting up a Christmas tree. I'm so excited. Alright, let me take down my hair. I also need to wash my hair, but that's not gonna happen tonight, of course. Now let's go to the bathroom to take off my makeup. I have this in-shower face mask from Diadermin. I think I'm gonna do that today. I feel like I recently showed you how I take off my makeup, so I'm not gonna go too much into detail. As per usual, I always rave about this. I wet my makeup wipes with micellar lotion, and then I go in and take it off. So I don't know if I'm supposed to use the whole thing. I'm not going to. I think I'm gonna do half of it. You just put it on. Ooh. That is my mask. By the way, I recently showed this serum in my videos, but now I also got this one. Oh my god, this one is also pretty good, but this one I like to use in the morning. Oh. You can use it at night as well, but I like to have one for in the morning and one for at night. So now this one is being used at night. It's so good. I love this stuff. I'm just so exhausted. Like, it has been a long week. Yeah, I'm taking these things off the bed for right now because I just want to dive in bed when I'm ready for bed. Good morning, amiga. Today is a new day. I am about to get ready so that we can start up with putting up the Christmas tree. I'm so excited that it's finally happening. So yeah, I'm now gonna quickly get ready and then we can start doing that. By the way, today is the first time that I'm using the Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation from Essence with hyaluronic acid. And of course, like, I'm just applying it now, but like even the application, this looks good, man. And it's only €5. What? I'm so confused. I will continue to use it and then I can give you like a real review about this. But so far, I really think this is gonna be one that I'm gonna like as well. But it kind of performs like a Fenty foundation. Anyway, I'm gonna finish doing the rest of my makeup and I'll see you after. Dus, mama mira ko, Ben, di ko mama Polanda rin ba YouTube?
Gente man ni puta, no.
No?
No.
Ben, di mama no Polanda. Di Shomaritas, I said it, Shomaritas. Mabisa ko ba no Polanda?
Ata. Anto quiere hacer data.
Nandi bis firma, or mata reagir?
Da kubo. Cherokee pa ben ni de haine. Alla vale oro. Kaya Epidemic ben, Epidemic. Dai pone mi dreci rima social media.
Pero te coming mama no Polanda eigenlijk?
Sério?
Não siya mama na landa di mana to chiquito?
Bita ba si na canto ko.
Na canto.
Pero no, yo, teniendo yo, no? Tapos yan, may ko'y tsunami ko nang ko tumirang alawa, yung ilaw, mahalian. Porque no, yung barco ko din, tabay, tanto barco.
Si pero si mata by cruise mama is Polanda tambe toch of no?
Kaya eigenlijk wel, pero min Polanda. Min Polanda, pukod niya mabiskibin, no? Mabisabo?
Si, gaya na onda.
Na, ainda, mo ito kami vrijdag, gewoon met een goeie. Weet je wat je nou waar doorgaat, moet je vrijdag. Sim, andare min voorbereid min bellen mooi nog maar.
I know you.
Jennyfer, je houdt van bamba als je zo vroeg smart als meisje. Waarom hit je me op tegen je moeder?
Mijn moeder zegt ze gaat een rokje voor je kopen met gouden stippen.
Is niet erg, je bent jaloers.
Wat ga jij voor haar kopen dan?
Maak je niet druk.
Wat ga je voor haar
10
kopen?
uur 's morgens ben je bezig met bambashi.
Wat?
Mensen ophitsen en al dat
Ik
soort
hits
dingen.
niemand op. Vertel.
Ik vertel niet.
Je zei toch, Shomaritas, I said it. You can't swim.
Waarom heb je die camera aangemaakt?
Waarom?
Ja.
Want de amigas hebben gevraagd om vast te leggen hoe mijn moeder reageert.
Nee, dat is voor mij en je moeder.
Nee, vertel dan.
Ik weet niet.
Jenny, doe net telefoon, papi.
Amiga, 2 seconden geleden aan Bakidi, ik compra zwempak, maar mama ko zwemles. Ataki, here you go. Mijn moeder praat tegen je.
Ik hoor niets.
Je hoort wel, papje ma.
Papia, ma, papia. Goedemorgen. Ja?
Ik ga een H&M.
Ja?
Ik ga een rokje voor je kopen, een rokje van Twill.
Nou, wanneer ga je het kopen? Want H&M is gesloten.
In Nederland niet?
Goed niet.
Ze gaan het sluiten. ik zorg persoonlijk ervoor.
Jenny,
Hmm.
een rokje
Mhm.
van Twill.
Oké.
Balletjes, gouden balletjes.
Koop ook eentje voor Jennyfer.
Waarom?
Liefde van, alleen voor jou.
Jenny, weet je...
Je moet weten, ik kan niet zwemmen.
Oh, niemand moet weten, hè? Ik heb Jennyfer gezegd ze moest een ding kopen. Weet die band is, Jennyfer?
Wat?
Die doksenband, een gele.
Maar dan keer die compra? Een rubberen band ko eentje rond je pa mama ke dat float bouwen.
Ik ben nog niet.
Dan kan je moeder in het water gaan, toch? Jullie zijn echt saai, hoor.
Jenny,
Hmm?
ben nog niet puta bosa.
Die heb je wel verstaan hoor.
Shomaritas, wanneer we naar Curaçao gaan, dan ga ik eentje voor je brengen. Dan gaan we samen in de zee.
Ga weg.
Nee. ik ga een touw aan je binnen, dan ga je niet ver, toch?
Nee, dat interesseert je niet. Ga weg. Als je het Jenny nada maar.
Nou joh, rustig.
Kom maar, joh, rustig.
Ja.
Zo vroeg ben je bezig met bambashi, dan zeg je rustig.
Maar nee, die nu soort rustig. Veel meer dat een bakje met de moest gewoon bosje. Tot nu soort rustig. Kom ik weer rustig. Zit toch? En make-up
We've
is
been on
done.
and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going. No
I finished getting dressed and doing my makeup and all of that, and I'm ready to do the decoration of the Christmas tree. Jenny is out here making us coffee,
You need to clean the house first, okay?
but we don't have much to clean, right?
You need to clean the house first.
Okay.
You need to tell your amigas that also.
Okay, we're gonna do a little bit.
Not we, you are.
Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning because Benny did a little bit yesterday. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning, vacuuming, and like setting everything up, making it ready for leave my ponytail alone for the Christmas tree to be set up. So let's do it.
Your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you. And here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here?
Alright, amiga, we finished getting ready, or we're not finished getting ready. We finished tidying up the place. Now I just think we need to look a little bit more festive for us to put up the tree, don't you think? Let's jump and then we
Jump?
Like we're gonna change our outfit real quick. Okay, I'm gonna restart. Alright, amiga, we finished tidying up the place. What is your problem?
Oh, hey, hurry up.
We finished doing like everything and now we're ready to set up the tree. But I think we need to look a little more festive, okay? So yeah, let's just do something about that. On 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that was a fail, but I hope, I don't know, we'll see that when I'm editing the video. But we're now ready to set up the Christmas tree. This is gonna be the spot of the Christmas tree, just where it was last year. Benny's also wearing his red sweater. I'm wearing my red sweater. So yeah, let's go. So these are all our Christmas ornaments. I'm so excited. We have a little basket for the bottom. And yeah, here is our Christmas tree. We have a fake one, but that's way better for the environment anyways. how everything turned out. The Christmas tree is up.
Yo, amigas, no thumbs down anymore. Because Jennyfer gonna stop.
Yes.
So.
YouTube is seeing it as spam. So it's a situation. Stop with the thumbs down. But we know you guys did it out of love for Benny. So thank you so much. And yeah, I think we're gonna wrap up this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel.
Oh, instead of thumbs down, they can give me Christmas trees.
Yes. Put up a Christmas tree in the comments for Benny. Yeah, he back lost it.
Oh my god.
And yes, I hope to see you soon in our next video. Mwah! Mana sunchi na?
Wacht, Tekiratu.
Hey!
Tekiratu, amigas.
Bom.
Sí.
Bom. All right, amiga. Bye.